What's going on, guys? So we are going on about a 6-month road trip without the RV, and we're starting to prep it, antifreeze, things like that. But one of my concerns is the tires. So we don't have guards or covers for these tires, and they're like 10 bucks a piece. So you're looking at 40 bucks just to cover your tires from the sun while it's sitting, in the yard. So went to Walmart and bought this tarp for $5 and this thing of bungees for $5. We're gonna come right over here. Got a cutting mat, got a tape measure and a little razor there, and we are going to DIY ourselves our own covers for $10 instead of spending 40 bucks. So actually, we didn't even need these at all. So this DIY is only gonna cost $5, just this one tarp. All right, so let me explain it. So this tarp right here was 6 feet by 8 feet. These tires are 5 feet from the first tire to the second tire on the outside. So I just went right over to the cutting mat, cut the tarp in half. So this tarp is now 4 feet tall by 6 feet wide. So it's just straight in half. Now, if you look on this side, the way I have it set up, this tarp has 8 eyelets on it, these little rings. And basically all I need to do is just wrap this tarp over the tire, and these match up perfectly. These rings right here, all you gotta do is put a zip tie. And then on this side, all you gotta do is put a zip tie right there, and these things aren't going nowhere, and they are sheltered from the sun.